Hello, welcome to our channel in Solidum Lawyers. Today, we'll analyze a current controversy that is generating great debate in Europe: online commerce platforms like Temu and Shein, and the call from the Spanish MEP for the European Union to ensure compliance with current regulations. In recent days, Pablo Arias, a Spanish MEP from the Popular Party (PP), has called on the European Commission to reinforce compliance with the Digital Services Act (DSA) on platforms like Temu and Shein. The reason? Many products sold through these platforms do not comply with European safety regulations, affecting not only consumers but also SMEs that do comply with regulations. This situation has generated concern both at the commercial level and for consumer protection. Today, we'll analyze the impact of this situation from the perspective of competition law, how the current regulations are applied in Ecuador and internationally, and what legal measures could be taken in these cases. From a legal point of view, unfair competition creates an imbalance in the market. In Europe, platforms like Temu and Shein allow the import of low-cost products that do not always meet safety requirements. This creates an unfair advantage over local companies that comply with all regulations, increasing their cost to comply. In Ecuador, although the regulations are different, unfair competition also affects producers and exporters who must follow strict rules to enter international markets. This is where competition law plays a fundamental role, ensuring that all market players operate under the same rules. According to the Digital Services Act in Europe, online platforms are obligated to ensure that the products they offer comply with safety and consumer protection regulations. However, it has been reported that in many cases, these platforms are not exercising adequate control over imported products, exposing consumers to risks and local businesses to unfair competition. In Ecuador, platforms must also comply with local and international regulations on e-commerce and consumer protection, and any non-compliance could result in significant penalties. MEP Pablo Arias has called for strong sanctions to be applied and, if necessary, for platforms that do not comply with regulations to be shut down. This will be set an important precedent for global digital commerce. In Ecuador, authorities must also be vigilant to the possibility of unregulated products entering the country through these platforms. It is essential that both European and Ecuadorian regulators reinforce the supervision of imported products and ensure that platforms comply with all relevant regulations. In summary, the case of platforms like Temu and Shein highlights the challenges regulators face in ensuring fair and safe markets, both in Europe and the rest of the world. Competition law plays a crucial role in this process, ensuring that all actors follow the same rules and protecting both consumers and businesses. If you found this analysis interesting, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video and share it with your colleagues. We also invite you to leave your comments and questions. See you next time on Solidum Lawyers.